Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I have my design team package share with you all for Country Craft Creations. Make sure you check out the links below so that you can pick up your purchases from Country Craft Creations. So I am going to be playing around with this collection from Photoplay. It is the 12 by 12 Coco Paradise. So you can see on this front cover all the different papers and the fun little elements that are included in this collection. So let's get started and take a deeper dive. Here is the Coastal Dreams collection page, and you can see the muted colors that are on this. Isn't this a fun, really fun montage there? And then on the back side you have the cut apart. So you have 2 sheets of each of the papers in this collection. So you have some 4x6s here, you have some 3x4s on the rest of it. Okay, so this is so pretty. Isn't it pretty? I just love it. I love it. I love it. It's so summery. Okay, then moving on, let's flamingo. So here is the back side of the sheet, and it is the seashells in the background in white, and then the muted tones of creams on here. And then you have the flamingos with this light seafoam green color with some script in the background, and then you can see the zigzags through there in white. Isn't that fun? They have such personality. They really do. I think so. Anyway, let's move on to the Sweet Escape sheet. And you can see this is really cool, isn't it? You see all these little blocks with the different coordination of elements in the paper collection. I think that's really fun. And then on the back side, you have this really fun lime green to play with, and the text. Really, really cool. Then we have Paradise Found. So you can see the hydrangeas on here. No, hydrangeas, Nicole. That's not hydrangea. What's the flower that I'm talking about here? Oh my goodness. I just had it and it went gone, 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 gone. Look at all the leaves. Hibiscus. That's what it is. Hibiscus on here. Good grief. The greens, the teals, the blues, and the script here. And then on the back side of this one, you have these beautiful palm trees in light pink, and then the darker shades of pink on the background. Isn't that awesome? A little bit of yellow splotching coming through to really give it some depth. And then we have Let's Get Away. So you have this beautiful teal blue background paper. I think it's a background paper. It has a bit of netting, it looks like, through here, some little stripes going through here. And then on the back side of that is the cut apart, another cut apart sheet. I think this sheet is going to be fabulous for titles. Okay, for tuck spots, for titles. Look how many pieces you can cut apart. And then you have a border strip down here as well. Really fun. Okay, Tropical Floral is next. This is the back of the sheet. It has these beautiful turtles in this beautiful green color. And then on the back side of that, look at these tropical leaves. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So fun, so summery. Don't forget we have a sticker sheet that comes with the collection. So happy summer, let's celebrate, looking bright. To travel is to live. I agree. I love traveling. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so fun to play with. Okay, those are the element stickers. And then I picked up some MyColors cardstock to go along with this collection. So I have 3 light green sheets of MyColor cardstock here, and 2 of them are solids. One of them has the polka dot on it, just the little light raised polka dot. So I have Waterside Fern, Key Lime, and then this one is Kiwi over here on the right. Okay, besides those light greens, I have 2 sheets here that is a shimmer. Look how gorgeous that is. And these are called Tropical Bay. Doesn't that sound right? It sounds like just going right with this collection, right? Right in step. Okay, then I picked up 2 sheets of pink cardstock. Again, this has that raised polka dot on it. And this one is called Pink Carnation. So isn't that appropriate? Okay. And then last but not least, you have these 2 sheets of the plain MyColors cardstock. And this is a beautiful coral color, and it's called Rose Chintz. And I think these are just going to look spectacular with this collection. Don't you think? Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm really excited to use this. I just picked it up from my trip in Utah, during my trip in Utah, and I was also able to go through the ribbons. I picked up a yard of this beautiful sea foam green ribbon. Oops, had a frame there, Nicole. Okay, and then I also picked up a yard of this double-sided ribbon. It is pink on one side. It is the lime green on the other. I think it's fabulous. It's a satin. It's a double-sided satin. Okay, I think I'm going to be using this with the white artisan cardstock. So come and check out my channel soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to be working on a project to be able to share with you all. And remember, you can pick up all of these fun crafty goodies at countrycraftcreations.com. There are many, many project shares that are available for free with tutorials many times by a whole slew of crafty designers for Country Craft Creations, and you can check those all out on the Facebook group that is Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. Come on over and join us. It's a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing you there, where you can share some of your projects using your crafty supplies from Country Craft Creations. Okay, everyone? Until next time, happy crafting, you all. Bye.